out this radio, biddies. And we hooked up a new radio, biddies. Biddies put a dime in the cigarette lighter, and it didn't make a spark until I tried to pull it. Alright, biddies, we got to make sure all these screws are real tight, because that's where they need to be. Here, you sit down and watch. I'll be right here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I gotta glue that thing on right there. That's our little microphone. I'll do that before they come and pick up the car. We don't need this. Look, biddies, we took this out of here, and we don't need it anymore. We got a different one.
Why we got a different?
So we can put that new radio in your cousin Sarah's car.
Okay, let's go get it.
Let's go get it. Oh, that's a dime.
Yeah.
You found a dime? Oh, you put a dime in there? That's no good, biddies. How did I know that would happen? Great. We just lost a 15 amp fuse somewhere. Yeah, that dime, that can't go in there, biddies. No, you're not supposed to put stuff in there. I gotta get that out. That's bad, biddies. We made sparks. Mama? Yeah. We shorted out a fuse already. You can't put that in there. That's a no-no. You don't put anything in there. Nothing.
What did you call that?
Should be cigarette lighter.
Cigar lighter, fuse 61.
Okay, 61. I have not covered up that panel under there, and there's a. Actually, I shouldn't have shut that. There's a fuse puller right here, and there's.
61.
Is it a 15 amp?
It is a 20.
I think we have everything but a 20. Yep, there's a 20. It's yellow. Climbing up on my lap like that. No. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Can I put you over here? Oh, turn off the car. Good idea. Right there. Yeah. What are you doing? You got the key, biddies? Yeah? You got the key, biddies? Oh, don't drop the key. Here, hold that. Oh, how'd the wipers turn on? What's going on here? We don't want the wipers on, babies. How'd you do that? Okay, I think that's off. We don't want the wipers on, babies. Okay, babies. Oh, that does not go there. You turned the radio back on, baby. That's good. Tight. Oh, look at the people that are here. Come on, biddies. Is Grandma here? Whoa, your leg is so flexible.